Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some chicken wing drumettes in the slow cooker. So let's get crocking. I have a 3-pound bag of frozen chicken drumettes that I'm going to use for this. I got those for $6.99 at the grocery outlet, which is not too bad of a price these days. And what I'm going to do is cook them in a gravy. So I'm adding 2 cups of chicken broth to my pot here. I've already added 1, so that's 2. And then a half a cup of flour. That will thicken it up, and so I'm just going to get that all whisked together. It looks like all the lumps are out of my flour. I have the pot on high. I'm also going to add 1 onion that I cut up. That'll give it some extra flavor, but if you don't like onions, you can leave that out. And I'm also going to sprinkle in some Johnny's seasoned pepper, sides pepper that has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. Might need a little salt as well, but I think I'll wait till the end to add that because there's salt in the chicken broth, and that flour also has a little salt in it as well because it's self-rising flour. You don't have to use self-rising flour, just regular flour is fine. Now I'll add my frozen chicken drumettes. You could actually use any type of chicken you like for this. It doesn't have to be wings. You can use legs, thighs, breasts, whatever you want, really. Okay, now I'll try to get that all kind of mixed together a little bit. That looks pretty good. I think I'll add just a little bit of Worcestershire sauce too for a little extra flavor. This has salt in it as well, so I don't know if I'll really need to add a whole lot of salt at the end. I don't like things that are too salty. You can always add salt, but you can't take it back out if it's too salty. Okay, now we'll get the lid on there and I'm going to cook this on high. It's been a little over 3 hours. Let's see how this looks. I think that ought to be done. Looks like the gravy thickened up nicely. That looks good. I'm going to let it cool down a little bit and then we'll try it out. I made some mashed potatoes and some frozen mixed vegetables to go with this. Let's see how it came out. Chicken should just kind of pull off the bone there. Grab a little bit of taters and gravy to go with it. Here we go. That turned out good. The gravy's really good. I like the onions in it. It has a lot of flavor. And like I said, you could use any type of chicken you wanted in that. I guess we'll let Annie try it, see what she thinks. You want to try a bite, Annie? Here you go. Looks like it's Annie approved. Another thing you can do with wings is just put them in the pot and dump in a bottle of your favorite barbecue sauce. I've done it that way a few times too. But anyway, I'll write everything I used for this recipe in the description. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.